Welcome back. Now I'm going to show you a free version of a Ahrefs Site Audit tool. Basically, it's going to scan the website and tell us what we should improve. So let's do that real fast. Move to cartersville.com. I have the paid version as well. So it looks like I already have an account. So if you want to do the free one, do it that way. I have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Ahrefs is a paid platform for SEO stuff, but it does a cool site audit. So I want to show you how to add and show you what the benefits of adding is. So I'm going to go to new project, then I do import, and it's just going to pull in all the domains I'm associated with. So all I have to do is go select my domain. So we're just going to do move to Cartersville, hit import. And basically what happens here is it imports it and then it does a scan of the website, just like Google crawls it. Audit has run and we got our results. So you can see it crawled 66 pages. I don't have that many, so I'm not sure what exactly it crawled. It crawled the images and stuff too. So if we scroll down through here, this is telling me what I need to go update. And to give you an example, like image file size is too large. Click on that. It's going to tell me which image is too large. It's going to tell me the load time. So what I'm going to do is take a screenshot of this, and then I'm going to update those images, and I can update them live, I guess. I'll go ahead and update them live, and you could just watch. And then I'll run the scan again, and we'll check it out later. All right, so I'm just going to take this template here. I'm going to go get this high school image. Just going to load it. Save. Desktop. Downsize the images. Okay. We're going to call it Cartersville High School. Okay. So I'm going to save that one. I'm just going to go ahead and repeat it for the other two. So I'm just going to go find the page that I used it on. Right there's the football field. So I'm going to enable Visual Builder. And scroll down here to where the image is. I'm going to click Edit. Click here. I'm going to upload the new one, Cartersville High School. And then over here, once it gets done, we're going to add our description in there. We're also going to add alt text. I just use the same thing. Basically, that's for SEO. If you don't do that, your images will never show up. You can optimize that better, but I'm just doing that. So we're going to go full size image. Actually, because the image is smaller, let's go large. We'll go upload image. You can see it shrunk my image a little bit.